Hi everyone and welcome to the Get Started with Sheetgo series. My name is Valentine and I'm going to guide you through our Sheetgo product, what a connection is, how you can create one, which different connection types we have, and of course our different features. Today I'll show you how to filter data with Sheetgo. A Sheetgo connection brings data from a specific tab in a source sheet to a tab in a destination sheet. And with Sheetgo filters, you can specify exactly which data to transfer instead of the entire tab. We have three different filter types. First of all, there's the filter by condition. This is the quick and easy way to filter your data set based on specific criteria of specific columns. With our filter by query feature, you can create more complex filters and only select specific columns to transfer to another spreadsheet. And then lastly, our filter by color feature allows you to transfer data based on a specific background color of your cells. In this video, I'm going to show you an example of the filter by query. Here we use advanced data transfer with SQL queries, and our filter supports any function available in spreadsheets. An example is you can select specific rows within specific columns and then transfer only those to your other file. But let me show you in practice. Here I have my example spreadsheet. I have my product inventory of 2021 here. And what I want to do with a filter by query is I want to select only the product, so column A, product ID, where the demand is considered to be low or very low. We want to remove these items out of our stock. And I want to send this information to our purchasing manager, who is in charge of course, acquiring our stock. Let me show you how it works. As you can see here, I've selected as my source data, so where I want the data to come from, my product inventory Google Sheets. And of course the tab name is the inventory of 2021. Then you simply press continue to move on to the filter section. We're going to choose filter by query because we only want to send a specific column to our colleague, of course. There we go. And we have a very easy query editor to help you, of course, in the process. What we want to do is we want to select not all columns, but only column A, where column G demand contains low. There we go. This way we're going to filter out and send only the product IDs in column A to our colleague that are considered to be low or very low in demand. Let's press continue to move on to the next step to choose our data destination. Where do we want to send this data to? In this case, my colleague also works in Google Sheets. Sheetgo can create a new file for you, which you then can share with this colleague, or of course it can be an existing one that you already have access to. Let me show you for the ease of this example a new file. I'll call this products to remove. There we go. You can also create a tab name so that it's easy for your colleague to know where this data comes from. Products low demand. Let's give this as an example. There we go. So let me show you how this looks like. We've selected our source data, our product inventory. We've filtered out only the product IDs that are low or very low in demand, and we're going to send this to our colleague's spreadsheet. Simply click on Finish and Save to create the connection. There we go. As you can see in this spreadsheet that you can share with your colleague, we've sent out using the query only the product IDs that need to be removed from stock. So this is how you use our filter by query feature from Sheetgo. If you have any questions about this, do not hesitate to contact us. And of course, if you want to learn more advanced SQL queries, you can find that in Google's API documentation. Thank you very much.